Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ninda Handayani. I'm from the English Language Study Program Class A in 2024 with ID number 2402110015. Alright, I made this video which is to review a journal. The title is Insight into EFL Student Reading Obstacles, a Qualitative Case Study. And then the author is Muhammad Hollandia, Lani Marzulina, Dian Herlina, Harizal, Hikmah Zalifah Putri, and Hanif Alfarizi, Universitas Islam Negeri Raden Fatah Palembang, Indonesia. And then the purpose of this study was to investigate the difficulties faced by EFL or English as a Foreign Language student in reading comprehension. The researchers aim to identify the main obstacles students encounter while reading English text and to understand the underlying factor that contribute to these difficulties. The results were expected to serve as a foundation for designing strategies and intervention to help improve students' reading comprehension skill. And then the design of the study is use a qualitative research design with a case study approach. This method was chosen to gain a deep understanding of student experiences, perception, and challenges in reading comprehension. The researchers conduct a deep interview with selected participants, analyze their responses, and organize the data into the themes through thematic analysis. And then the location and participant of the study is the research was conducted at Madrasah Aliyah Negeri or MAN, Wan Muara Enim, South Sumatra, Indonesia. The participant consists of 9-10 grade students chosen using purposeful sampling to represent a range of reading abilities or high, moderate, and low score. The selection aimed to capture diverse reading comprehension problem among EFL students. And then the data were collected through semi-structured interview, conduct view telephone. The researchers record the interview and took notes during the session. The questions were designed to explore student experiences, challenges, and strategies when dealing with English reading text. And then the data analysis. The researchers used thematic analysis to analyze the interview data. The process includes organizing and preparing data, reading all the transcript, coding significant statement, developing categories, interpreting pattern, and forming the themes that represent the major types of reading difficulties experienced by the student. Member checking was also used to ensure data validity and trustworthiness. And then the major finding. The study revealed several main difficulties experienced by EFL students in reading comprehension. The first is lack of vocabulary. Students often struggle with unfamiliar words. And then the second, low grammar mastery. Difficulties understanding sentence structure and pronoun. And then the third is unfamiliarity with the topic content. Or lack of background or cultural knowledge hinder comprehension. And then the fourth, inability to use reading strategies effectively. Students struggle with skimming, scanning, finding main idea, and making inferences. And then the fifth, unfamiliar lengthy reading material. Long and boring text reduce motivation and focus these obstacles. Collectively, defective student overall reading performance and motivation. And then the last is connection with relevant studies. The finding of this study strongly align with previous research on EFL reading comprehension difficulties. The following studies are particularly relevant. The first is Siti Rahma Putri 2020 found that a lack of vocabulary knowledge was a major factor that hinders student ability to comprehend text. Students often guess word meaning or use dictionary, which led to fragmented comprehension or This support Hollandia et al. Finding that limited vocabulary cause misunderstanding of the text. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much for your listening. And the last from me, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.